Everybody loves to hear that they have performed a job well done, and we're no exception. Our goal is to give every customer 5-star service, and it usually results in our customers sharing their experience with the world. Take a look at what one of our customers said about us. This review is a powerful testament to our policies and procedures that ensure every customer gets a 5-star experience with us. As you can see, we truly appreciate our valued customers by paying attention to their needs and putting them first each and every time. And the feedback keeps coming in to prove it. So the only real question you have to ask yourself is, what are you waiting for? Come by and experience our impeccable service today. We'd love to make you a happy customer. We hope you enjoyed our small section of the internet today. We look forward to talking to you.